Do you agree that anything good can happen more than once in our life? Well, it's very simple concept and I would love to respond to this. Why do we struggle to move on in life? A lot of people struggle to move on, from something good they had before, and just because they do not have it right now, they feel it difficult to believe that they can ever have it. Just because the current times or the current scenario is not in favor doesn't mean that it would never be in favor. Why do we hold on to the past for so long, which has been so good to us? And when we see that the current times are not as good as that, we start believing that maybe it's just not right for us, or maybe it was just a phase that was great for us, and now we are not gonna have it anymore in our lives. We have got to come across this point that we have to thrash this belief out from our lives. We hold on to memories, people, and experiences because at some point we really think that they were good for us. But when that relationship, that point of time, that phase ends, you lose a friend, you lose a job, you disappoint yourself, you lose a condition, you lose a position, you lose the situation, and you feel like you've dropped the ball, you have lost your job, you have lost your situation, you have lost all the power that you had, you lost all the happiness that you had in that moment. And it could come to anything, like suppose you landed on your dream job, but somehow, due to some circumstances, you had to leave it. Suppose you landed on your dream college, but you somehow had to discontinue your studies over there. You somehow ended up with a great person, and now you two are not anymore because you broke up, or somehow you had a great friend who understood you and helped you at every point, but now he is no more your friend and not even in your good books. So these things leave a great impact in your mind. But when all these things end at some point, we for some reason assume that good things won't happen again. It was good, we won't find such good friend ever again. We won't find such beautiful partner ever again. We won't find such amazing job ever again. We won't find such opportunity ever again. But that's where we are wrong. We convince ourselves that good things can never happen to us twice or more than that in our life, and something that happened once was the best and it cannot happen anymore, and that's where we are wrong. We convince ourselves that we are unworthy of finding that feeling for another time. The feeling when we first had that person, that job, that situation, or that whole power that we had, the feeling that we had at that time, we usually feel that we cannot find that feeling anymore. But you know what? Good things absolutely can happen twice, thrice, 10 times, or even as long as you believe that you are worthy of them. The amazing way you felt when it first happened to you, you can feel it again. Things are going to change. That sense of calm you felt when you finally found your confidence back then, and the groove when you feel that when it turned downward, you can feel that again. That fulfillment you felt when you started working in your dream job, when you started going to your dream college, when you started seeing your dream person, when you started having a great friendship with your great friend, but now it's not there anymore, but yes, you can feel that way again. Good things are bound to happen more than once in your life because life works in mysterious ways and it works in a manner of circle, because whatever goes around comes around, and if you have a good vibe, if you have a good energy, if you have that in yourself, somehow it's gonna turn the tables in your favor. Good things really happen more than once in your life. Realizing that is how you move on in your life. Yes, that's how you actually move on. When you realize that yes, that dream relationship can start again. Yes, that dream friend someone else can also be your dream friend. Yes, you can land another great job. Yes, you can land another great course. All of those things can happen again, and it starts from the point when you start believing that yes, it can happen again in your life. Realizing it's how you move past that guilt, shame, or the disappointment that you had when it actually ended. And you need to move past the feeling of, feeling unworthy of good things to happen in your life. You deserve to experience the good things again and again in your life. They might come in a different form, they might come in a different phase, they might come up in a very different scenario, but it might even be something very different than you imagined. But the powerful point is that it's going to happen again. There might be things you did not never expected, but those good things you thought you had lost are going to come again. Of course, not in the same way, not in the same manner, not in the same person, and not in the same place, of course. Because, as I always say, you can never find happiness at the same place where you lost it, right? So, big things are ahead. Things are going to be different. You deserve to feel great again. You deserve to rise again. And you can, but it starts with letting go. The more you hold on to the things, the more you hold on to the points that how much you enjoyed back then, how much you lived your life back then, how much confident you were back then, how much fortunate you felt back then, that's where you need to move on. When you start leaving these things behind and start accepting that yes, there are even better and brighter things are ahead that you are going to experience in your life, that's where you start moving on. That's where you start feeling great again, and that's where this whole concept of moving on from something good that happened to you before, which is not with you anymore, begins. That's how you move on in your life. If you like what I said, consider sharing it with your friends, because directly or indirectly, you might help a lot of people with this. I'll see you in my next episode. Till then, take care.